If you're facing the black screen issue with the camera of your iPhone, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. After the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to Settings and tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update, and from here just check if you have any software update available, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. And if this also did not work, then just go back and under the General Settings, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset All Settings. Now, by resetting all the settings of your iPhone, you will not delete any data of your iPhone. You will just reset all the settings in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if this also did not work, then you might have a hardware problem with the camera of your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the black screen issue on the camera of any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.